Ever wonder why you're still tired after 8 hours of sleep and your muscles feel like concrete the day after a workout? Or maybe you're training hard, eating right, but your recovery just sucks and you can't figure out why. The answer might be sitting right under your nose. Two minerals that most people completely ignore: magnesium and zinc. Here's the thing. While everyone's obsessing over the latest pre-workout or protein powder, they're missing out on two of the most fundamental nutrients your body needs to actually recover from training. We're talking about minerals that control over 600 different processes in your body, including muscle function, sleep quality, and hormone production. Today, I'm breaking down why magnesium and zinc are absolute game changers for anyone who works out, the signs you might be deficient without even knowing it, and 3 specific products that can transform your recovery and performance. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these boring minerals might be the missing piece in your fitness puzzle. Let's start with what magnesium and zinc actually do, because most people think they're just random minerals their grandparents take. Really, these are 2 of the most important nutrients for anyone who's physically active, and here's why. Magnesium is involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body. It's crucial for muscle contractions, nerve function, energy production, and protein synthesis. Every time you lift a weight, sprint, or even just walk, you're burning through magnesium. When you're deficient, your muscles can't relax properly after contracting, which leads to cramps, tension, and poor recovery. Zinc is your recovery and hormone support mineral. It's essential for protein synthesis, immune function, and testosterone production. If you're a guy trying to build muscle or maintain healthy hormone levels, zinc deficiency can seriously mess with your progress. For everyone, zinc helps repair the microscopic damage from training and keeps your immune system strong so you don't get sick every time you push hard in the gym. The crazy part? Most people walking around with magnesium or zinc deficiency have no idea. They just think being tired, sore, and having trouble sleeping is normal. They blame stress, age, or just getting older, when really, their body is screaming for these essential minerals. But here's where it gets interesting. When you get your magnesium and zinc levels right, the improvements can be dramatic. Better sleep, faster recovery, less muscle cramps, improved mood, and for guys, better hormone levels. It's not magic, it's just giving your body what it needs to function properly. All right, let's dive into what these minerals actually do in your body, and I promise to keep this practical and easy to understand. Starting with magnesium, think of it as your body's relaxation mineral. After your muscles contract during exercise, magnesium is what helps them relax and return to their normal state. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay partially contracted, leading to that tight, sore feeling that lasts for days. Magnesium also plays a huge role in energy production. It's required for your cells to make ATP, which is basically your body's energy currency. Low magnesium means low energy, even if you're getting enough sleep and eating well. It's also crucial for converting the protein you eat into actual muscle tissue. For sleep, magnesium helps regulate melatonin production and calms your nervous system. If you have trouble winding down after evening workouts or find yourself lying awake despite being exhausted, magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. Now, zinc. This is your anabolic mineral. It's directly involved in protein synthesis, which means every gram of protein you eat needs zinc to actually become muscle tissue. It's also required for cell division and repair. So when you create those microscopic tears in your muscles during training, zinc helps rebuild them stronger. Here's what's interesting about absorption. These minerals compete with each other and other nutrients for absorption. Taking them with food helps, but taking them with calcium or iron can reduce absorption. The form matters too. Some forms are way better absorbed than others. Signs you might be deficient? For magnesium, muscle cramps, trouble sleeping, feeling tired despite adequate rest, muscle twitches, or that wired but tired feeling. For zinc, slow wound healing, frequent colds, poor recovery from workouts, low energy, or, for men, declining strength or muscle mass despite consistent training. Now, let's get to the products that actually deliver results, without the marketing nonsense or forms that your body can't use properly. First up, Cal Magnesium Glycinate, the powerhouse. This is the gold standard for magnesium supplementation, especially if recovery and sleep are your main concerns. Magnesium glycinate is magnesium bound to the amino acid glycine, which makes it incredibly well absorbed and gentle on your stomach. What makes this special? The glycinate form is one of the most bioavailable forms of magnesium, meaning your body actually uses what you take instead of just passing it through. Plus, glycine itself has calming properties and can improve sleep quality, so you're getting a double benefit. Cal uses pharmaceutical-grade manufacturing and third-party testing, so you know you're getting exactly what's on the label. Each capsule provides 400 milligrams of elemental magnesium, which is a solid therapeutic dose without being excessive. Who should use this? If you're dealing with muscle cramps, poor sleep, or that tight, tense feeling after workouts, this is your pick. It's also great for people who've tried other forms of magnesium and had stomach issues. Glycinate is much gentler than cheaper forms like magnesium oxide. The recovery benefits are where this really shines. Take it about an hour before bed, and you'll likely notice deeper, more restful sleep and less muscle soreness the next day. It's also great for people who train in the evening and have trouble winding down afterward. The downside? It's more expensive than basic magnesium supplements, and you might need to take 2 to 3 capsules to get a full therapeutic dose. But for the quality and absorption, it's worth the investment if you're serious about recovery. Second, the Healthy Chef Magnesium Plus, the clean choice. This is for people who want comprehensive mineral support with clean, natural ingredients. The Healthy Chef Magnesium Plus combines multiple forms of magnesium with zinc and vitamin C for synergistic benefits. What I love about this formula is the multiform approach. It includes magnesium glycinate for absorption, magnesium citrate for additional benefits, plus zinc bisglycinate and vitamin C. The zinc form is crucial. Bisglycinate is highly bioavailable and won't compete with the magnesium for absorption. The addition of vitamin C isn't just random. It supports zinc absorption and provides additional recovery benefits through its antioxidant properties. It's like getting a complete recovery support system in one product. This is perfect for people who want to cover all their bases with one supplement. The magnesium supports muscle function and sleep. The zinc handles protein synthesis and hormone support. And the vitamin C aids absorption and provides antioxidant benefits. The quality is excellent. No artificial colors, flavors, or unnecessary fillers. The Healthy Chef brand focuses on practitioner-grade supplements, so you're getting clinical quality ingredients in effective doses. The powder form is actually a plus for many people. You can mix it into water or a post-workout smoothie, and it tastes pretty good, not that chalky medicinal flavor you get with some mineral supplements. Third, nature-made magnesium citrate, the SmartBody. This is proof that effective magnesium supplementation doesn't have to break the bank. Nature-made magnesium citrate provides solid bioavailability at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Magnesium citrate is well absorbed and effective, though not quite as gentle as glycinate. It's been used successfully in studies and has a long track record of helping people with muscle function, sleep, and overall magnesium status. Nature Made is USP verified, which means an independent organization has tested their products for purity, potency, and quality. For a mass market brand, that's actually pretty impressive and gives you confidence that you're getting what's on the label. This is ideal for people who are new to magnesium supplementation and want to try it without a big investment. It's also great for anyone who needs magnesium support but doesn't want to spend premium prices for fancier forms. Each tablet provides 250 milligrams of elemental magnesium, which is a good starting dose. You might need to take 2 for optimal benefits, but even then, you're still getting great value compared to specialty brands. The accessibility is huge. You can find this at basically any pharmacy or grocery store, so you don't have to worry about running out or ordering online. For people who like to keep things simple, this is perfect. The trade-offs? It's not as gentle on the stomach as glycinate forms, so some people might experience loose stools if they take too much too quickly. Start with 1 tablet and see how you respond. Also, you're only getting magnesium, so if you want zinc too, you'll need a separate supplement. So there you have it, everything you need to know about magnesium and zinc without the confusion or marketing hype. Whether you go with the premium absorption of KAL magnesium glycinate, the comprehensive support of the Healthy Chef Magnesium Plus, or the reliable value of nature-made magnesium citrate, you're giving your body 2 essential minerals that can genuinely transform your recovery and performance. What's your experience with these minerals? Have you noticed improvements in sleep or recovery when you pay attention to magnesium and zinc intake? Drop a comment below and let me know which option you're planning to try, or if you've used any of these products before. If this helped you understand why these boring minerals are actually crucial for anyone who works out, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical supplement and fitness content that actually makes a difference. I'll see you in the next one.